Hello beautiful people. Today we're going to be reviewing graphing linear equations by using slope-intercept form and by finding the x and y intercept. Number 1, graph the equation using slope-intercept. No s there, just kidding. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The first thing that I'm going to do is to write this equation in slope-intercept form. That means I need y by itself. So looking at this equation, I see that y is not alone because it has this 3x. So to get rid of it, I'm going to subtract 3x and subtract 3x. And now I have y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Now this lines up with slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 3x plus 5. My slope, mx plus b, m, is negative 3. I'm going to write it as a fraction. The reason why we want a fraction is because my top number tells me to go up or down, and the bottom number tells me to go either right or left. It's your rise over your run. And then my b is equal to 5 because it's y equals mx plus b. That's in the 5 spot. And as a coordinate, because it's a y-intercept, it's 0, 5. Things to remember. This b tells you where to begin. And your slope tells you where to move. So it's going to tell you to go, because this is a negative 3, down 3 and right 1. So let's begin with the b. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your first coordinate. From there you're going to go down 1, 2, 3 and right 1. Down 1, 2, 3 and right 1. 1, 2, 3 and right 1. And then you'll connect your dots. And in order to receive full credit, you'll want to remember to label. So I'm going to label this as y equals negative 3x plus 5. Next, we will be reviewing intercepts. So in order to find those, I'm going to find my x-intercept. And then I'm also going to find my y-intercept. But first, my x-intercept happens whenever y is equal to 0. Always, always, always. So in order to find it, I'm going to go back to this original equation for x minus 2, except instead of y, I'm going to write 0 equals negative 8. So this is 4x. 2 times 0 is 0 equals negative 8. 4x minus 0 is just 4x equals negative 8. Then when you divide by 4 on both sides, you get x is equal to negative 2. As a coordinate, negative 2 is your x part, and y equals 0 is the y part. So I'm going to graph that. Negative 1, 2, 0. It's supposed to be the x-intercept, so it should be on this line. This is negative, bummer, negative 2. And then for your y-intercept, recall that x should be 0. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, except instead of x, I'm going to put 0. 4 times 0 is 0, minus 2y equals negative 8. So negative 2y equals negative 8. You will now divide both sides by 2, negative 2, excuse me, and you get y equals 4. As a coordinate, the x part is 0, the y part is 4. So 0 is for your x part, so you're not going left or right, but you're going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4. Then I will connect my dots one more time. That is a big thick line. And you have choices. You could write the equation here, or you can just make sure that you label that this is negative 2 and up here is 4, because those are really the key values there. All right, thank you very much, and now you have some practice problems to do.